Hey guys, here's a trade I'm waiting to get into today using my swing high, swing low strategy. We should bounce off this daily chart in Astus, Space Mobile. I just call it Astus, ASTS, from about $85 up to $94 again. I'm using 75.90 as my stop. So I'm position sizing for the stop that I need. Um, we had a breakout on the weekly chart that took us up to prior highs, and I was actually expecting a bounce from 104, but it abruptly moved down on a bad news day. I think one of its rockets crashed or something like that. So I said to myself, okay, I'm not really going to play it off a weekly. Plus, I'm kind of impatient. I'd rather make, my trades off the daily charts because they normally take shorter periods of time to play out. So that's why I'm waiting for an entry at 80, about 85, 84.94, which is a retest of this breakout that happened in not too long ago. Happened May 19th, so maybe about 3 weeks ago. So we'll see how this trade plays out. You can look at my other trades on my YouTube channel with the strategy I'm using. I look at a lot of Dwight's at Set Your Stop, the unusual options activity, and then if that aligns with what's happening I see on the chart, I'll take positions that way. I was actually waiting. He posted about this PRGO, some unusual call buying activity yesterday, and I was waiting to go long. And I was set up to go long in this with a buy stop at 12:02 and my stop loss for the trade at 11:11. We did not get there yesterday. We only got up to 11.95. See, what I like to see with my strategy is a measured move of the swing in question. So if this swing would have made a measured move of itself in the opposite direction, that's my signal for going long. And, that saved me from getting into this. This still might break out now and get up to 12:02, or a new pattern will form and a new swing high will come in, and I'll wait for a measured move of that swing high if I want to go long in this stock. So Dwight's letting me post some of my videos for you guys. If you want to get this for your own charts and learn how to use it, just send me a DM and we can teach you how to do that. But it's all I use. I did do a webinar for Canadian Association Technical Analysts about 18 months ago showing this. And I mean, I've been using this for years, and all the different charts I look at help me stay in the trend and get into the trend with like exact targets and stops on what should happen next with these moves in the stocks we're trying to play. I got into Loblaws yesterday. What happened here? I was watching this stock and I was watching it down here, and I saw us break out down, and I thought we were going to go lower, but then we tested. This retest actually worked, but the trend didn't continue down. We consolidated a bit more. We came back up. We tested this level again, which, had I really been watching it, I would have either taken a risk there or waiting for this to get to 62 again. But so I got in yesterday. We traded up to the breakout entry point of this swing high here, which was 65.88. But then we quickly retested the breakout point at 64.74 yesterday. So I said, yeah, I'm going long there for a breakout retest, putting my stop just a buck away, about a buck away at 63.60. And today we're just rushing higher. So I'm in like down there and, probably take some profits if we get up to previous highs, or, maybe we'll bounce around in here and some new patterns will form. What's kind of interesting, because this indicator I'm using is fractal in nature. So the same patterns work on all time frames. Like here's a monthly chart. This looks like a breakout retest on the monthly chart. 5-minute chart, I don't really day trade the stocks, but on a weekly chart is interesting because the weekly chart, we should be trading up to 67.48 now on a breakout of this level. And I don't know if we got there. Yeah, we're just maybe approaching there today. But if we do get to 67.48, we don't know if it's going to retest back again at 65. But if it did, that would be a good breakout retest to play off the weekly chart. So that's how I combine the day, what's going on in the smaller time frames with some targets on the weekly time frames if the trends are confirming each other. So I'll try to post some more videos for you guys and set your stop here, and contact me if you have any questions about anything you're trading, or you want an analysis like this for whatever you're trading or trades you're considering getting in too.